To add visual cues to your form, you may want to go ahead and add in a form image field as well. So for that, once you're in the form editor right here, you can go to the add element section over here on the left hand side, and under the basic elements right here, you will be able to see image right here. Simply go ahead and click and an image field will be inserted. So here you can go ahead and choose an image. Let's say, for example, you can upload an image right here and select an image that you have right here. And if you were to go ahead and click on open, then that particular image will be opened up right here, just like this. So now you can see that you can set the width and height of the form as well. So you can see that the image is loaded. You can go ahead and change the width and height of the image. So I can go ahead and say the height should be, let's say, for example, 200 pixel right here. And the width gets changed automatically because it is locked in place. I can unlock it and I can go ahead and stretch it out right here, just like this as well. And I can change the image alignment to left, center, or right, as you can see right here, and duplicate this out as well if I want to. So over here in image, let me just go ahead and remove. I can go ahead and choose my images as well. So whatever image you have, you can go ahead and then use the selected image right here, just like this, and insert it out. Let me just go ahead and remove. And apart from that, what you can also do is go ahead and enter an image URL. So I already have an image URL copied out. So let's just go ahead and paste it. And if you were to go ahead and add in the link, the image from that URL will be loaded just like this, as you can see. So now, apart from that, if you were to go to advanced, then you can add in an alternative text for the image as well, in case the image doesn't load up. So I can go ahead and say something like piano right here. And if the image won't load up, then it'll show the text piano. You can even add a link to the image right here. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and type in http:// let's say, for example, www.youtube.com/tutortube right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this in right here. And you can even add in a file reference name as you want. So I'm just going to go around and say piano image right here, just like this. And you can even add in a hover text. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say this is an example image for the form right here, just like this. You can go ahead and shrink it out as well so that it takes less space, and move it to the new line if it takes more space right here. You can go ahead and hide this field, hide this image temporarily without deleting it, so that it's hidden from the viewers. And you can even go to the field details right here to see the unique name at a code level for this field as well. So I can go ahead and change this out to whatever I like as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then add in an image. And if you were to go ahead and preview this now, you will be able to see that image right here, just like this. And as I hover over, you can see like it says this is an example image for the form. And you can see that this is clickable, meaning if I were to go ahead and click, it actually opens up the YouTube channel right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the image field inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.